You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a savory, funky Cambodian omelette that's yummy with crunchy vegetables and herbs. Let's get started. First, we'll need prahok, fermented fish. Mince into a smooth paste. We'll need ground pork, red chilies, garlic, and shallot. Add them to the fermented fish. Along with the ground pork, and mince to combine them into a fine paste. Add this to a bowl. In goes eggs. Season with MSG and sugar. If the brand of prahok you use is very salty, you won't need to add any additional salt. The egg mixture is done. On medium-high heat, in goes oil. Once the oil is hot, in goes the egg mixture. Cook for a couple of minutes on one side until it's firm enough to flip. Flip and cook the other side. You can slide the omelette right onto a plate, but I wanted the prettier side without it breaking. Be careful not to burn yourself. Serve with your favorite crunchy vegetables and herbs. I have cucumbers, cilantro, basil, and lime. Squeeze some lime juice to balance and brighten the flavors. Take some cucumber and herbs and a piece of the omelette and enjoy a flavorful, comforting bite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.